Oh, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we just got back from a very long and wild weekend down at Dresser, Wisconsin for the Minnesota Go Four Wheelers 2021 Total Off-Road Rally. We went on a lot of recoveries and watched a lot of action, so we got tons of footage to edit through. But here's a sneak peek at some of the stuff that went on. I hope you like it. Well, our recovery started before we even got everything all set up with a call for one that fell off the trailer while trying to unload. More sideways. Meanwhile, they were really playing hard out on the playground. Alright, I know you want to see the wrecker in action on the trails. This is Hummer.
Hey Hummer, we're just behind you. We're at Toyota, I think it's Bart's Hole.
Oh, okay, Bart's Hole. Gotcha. We'll turn around. Alright, this should be a real easy short run. It's a little wet and muddy and slippery, but nothing's really uphill.
Suppose we want to get neutral, huh? Yep.
Oh, lots of water in the exhaust.
Yeah.
Are you stuck or are you broke? Helping friends.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she twisted good.
And she cut open.
Okay, try that. think we got everything we need loaded. We don't have any spares to bolt onto the Avalanche, so we're gonna have to try and at least get 2 of the tires to hold air, or drag it out like a sled. Well, they're putting a good tire in the front right now. This is some really thick stuff down here. I don't know if I want to try and back through that. I think we might have to go all the way up the hill, turn around, and try and go through it forward. That's if we can crawl up through this wet, thick, sticky clay stuff. Okay, we got the Avalanche on the hook. We got 2 good front tires on it, and now we'll see if we can get out of the woods. Guess who needs fuel? I put 10 in today.
I know.
But we're sitting on a pretty good hill.
All right.
Well, it was a long weekend and a real workout for the wrecker, but we had a lot of fun. Oh, you're back. Well, how'd you like that? You know, you have to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. The wrecker with the new e-locker in it was absolutely amazing out on the trails. So you won't want to miss any of these videos. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.